told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you.
हाय गाइस, आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ हाउ टू डू स्मोकी आई. दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल वीडियो फॉर बिगिनर. I will do this in few easy steps. I have taken a spoolie brush from Naked Tree brush set. I'm combing my eyebrow to get shape.
With all the chemicals up in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in.
After that, I have taken an angular brush. This is also from Naked Tree brush set, and I'm using Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette 35 shimmer and matte eyeshadow for every girls. All the product links I have given in the description box. Just go and check out.
I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the
Now I am shaping my eyebrow. You have to do like this. And I am using the black shade to define my eyebrow.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Now I am using Elegant Pro Concealer to define my eyebrow, and I am using this brush from Naked Tree brush set. I am using creamy beige shade. Make sure your eye concealer should be 2 shades lighter than your complexion. You can choose your shade watching the eye cut video, but first you see this video completely. If you have too many dark circles, you can use orange corrector from the Elegant before using concealer. This concealer comes another 21 shades that can easily match your skin.
And fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This beauty blender is from MAC Plus Makeup Sponge Set Beauty Blender with a case. This also I bought from Amazon, and I have given the link in the description box.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I.
Now you can see the difference between before and after. Now I am using Kylie Super Soft Horse Bristle Pencil Brush set of 4 special for eyeshadow. I am using this one for base eye makeup, and I am using generic professional translucent powder for base eye makeup.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
Now I am using this round bristle brush for next part. This is also from Kylie. And I am using sugar contour or bronzer for my first pot of smoky eye makeup. But if you are very beginner, you can use sellotape. Now I am using the bronzer, and you have to fill first the crease line as I am doing. Just follow that.
In an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You
Repeating the same on left side.
same, I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe.
Now I am using a darker brown shade from Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, just below the contour line. I am following the same on left side.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
Now I am mixing these two sets with a fluffy brush from Kylie. ये अलग अलग ना लगे.
As you fade away. As you fade.
Now I am using black shade from Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Links are in the description box. Just go and check out. Now I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal and eyeshadow applicator brush from Naked Tree brush set, and you have to take some quantities of kajal and you have to apply on eyes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you.
You have to fill nicely, there should be no gap.
As you feel.
Then I am taking the round shape brush and applying black eyeshadow on it.
You try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
After that I have taken fluffy brush to blend it nicely. So I am following the same on the left side.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Just remove the sellotape.
You felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
Now I have to apply the eyeshadow below the lower lash line. I am using the black shade first.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like.
Now I am using the sugar bronzer to give the look smoky eye.
Me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Now I am using mascara to define my eyelash.
to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
This eyelash curler is from Vago, which I bought from Amazon also. And the product link is in the description box. You can go and check out.
As you fade away.
Now I am using a lighten lip color nude shade.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you.
Now I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to fix all my makeup, and I am using it by Beauty Blender. Just dab on your face and it is done.
Until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I am using this brush from Naked Chip brush set, and I am using Swiss Beauty highlighter to highlight my inner corner and below eyebrow.
And why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Meet you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you and keep subscribing my channel.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I'm